Mom, I need to rest now. You suffered a lot. No, darling. You need a surgery. But we don't have enough money. There's a way, darling. I will do everything just to fix your heart.
Ang darating lalaki.
Excuse me, Mom. It's time for her medication and to check her heart.
Darling, what happened? I'm sorry.
Ay, hindi mo sitigol.
Ako ang gisuyok.
Help!
Mom, calm down.
Nurse, please save her.
We will try. I'm sorry, Mom. We tried our best to save her, but she died. Dear Omoni, thank you for always here by my side and for the love, care that I receive. I know you suffered a lot too, but now you should be free. Omoni, thank you for always guiding me. Even though I'm weak, you always encourage me to have a long life. But Omoni, this is enough. I'm happy, Omoni, that you are my mother, such a strong and kind. And even I'm gone, I'm still by your side. You don't feel alone, Omoni. You have me in the end. I know that you are crying right now, but this is my fate. You should accept and let me go, Omoni. And always remember that I love you, and you are the best girl I know. Have a happy life and take care of yourself, Omoni.
Kada hakbang sa lupa'y